In the minutes it takes me to set up this ally workshop, I'm going to tell you about pronouns and inclusive language and how you can start incorporating them into your everyday. Language is important. It's a tool we use to connect, inform our identities, and describe the world around us. That's why it's so important that the language we use reflects the diverse communities that we're a part of. Pronouns are the words that refer to us when our names are not being used. She, her, he, him, they, them, he, they. They reflect our identity and inform how we want people to interact with us. Remember, someone's gender and identity is up to them, not you. So please don't assume someone's gender or pronouns based on your interpretation of their presentation. You can ask someone for their pronouns, and a really inclusive way to do it is to start with your own. For example, hi, I'm Em. My pronouns are they and them. You're normalising the idea that pronouns shouldn't be assumed, and you're also creating a safe space for somebody to share their own. You can do this in conversation, or you can do it online, in your email signature, your social media bio, wherever. This is where inclusive language comes in. The way we speak to each other is our bedrock of mutual respect. There are so many easy ways you can incorporate inclusive language into your everyday, so that everyone feels included. One way to do this would be switching up your small talk. For example, the question, do you have a partner, might help someone feel more included than the question, do you have a boyfriend or do you have a girlfriend? Similarly, asking someone just for their name instead of for their Christian name or their first name can help be inclusive of all religions and diverse cultural naming structures. Language constantly evolves, so it makes sense that the way we speak changes just as our world does. While it can seem overwhelming, try to refresh your knowledge of terminology with a quick Google search or consult an inclusive language guide. And if you make a mistake, acknowledge it, apologise when appropriate, and then move on. When we're moving from a place of respect, we can all use language to build a more inclusive environment. If you want to just come and sit down here.